How to use Cocopeat for plants. Cocopeat is a natural growing medium made from coconut husks. It helps retain moisture, improves aeration, and promotes healthy root growth. To use Cocopeat, start by taking a dry, compressed block. Place it in a large bucket or container and add about 5 litres of water for every kilogram of Cocopeat. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. As it absorbs water, the block will expand and become soft and fluffy. Once it's fully hydrated, break it apart gently with your hands. Now it's ready to mix with other growing materials. Combine Cocopeat with compost and garden soil in this ratio: 40% Cocopeat, 40% compost, and 20% garden soil or sand. This mixture ensures good drainage, moisture retention, and nutrient balance for your plants. Use the mix to fill pots or garden beds and plant your seeds or saplings as usual. Cocopeat will keep the soil moist for longer, reducing the need for frequent watering. Before using, make sure to rinse the Cocopeat if it feels salty. And remember, Cocopeat alone has very few nutrients. Always mix it with compost or fertilizer. You can also reuse Cocopeat by drying it after each planting cycle and rehydrating it again. With Cocopeat, your plants will grow stronger, healthier, and greener naturally,